Vermessung Schubert is a classical surveying services provider. We have 6 offices in Lower Austria and Vienna with 65 employees. We mainly cater to non-corporate clients, but also large municipalities, infrastructure enterprises, and a growing number of architects and planners. We embarked on our partnership with NavVis in 2016. We're using the technology primarily for our as-built digitization, so the keyword here would be digital twin. We acquire point clouds to create floor plans and models from them. In the last couple of months, we participated in the VLX Pilot Series. We were quite thrilled to be on board from the very beginning, because we were already part of the NavVis M6 Pilot very early on, one of the very first customers, in fact. We see great value in being early adopters because this way we can influence that the technology is going in the right direction.
We're here at the VAZ St. Polten, the largest event location in the region. It's used for festivals, fairs, concerts, and more. Our main surveying task at the VAZ St. Polten is to update the existing plans for facility management. On this project, we use both NavVis M6 and NavVis VLX. We use NavVis M6 for the large areas, such as the foyer and the gastronomy areas, and we use NavVis VLX for all the smaller areas, such as kitchen, cold storage rooms, the lavatories, staircases, some smaller offices on the second floor, and of course the building appliances room. You're so much more flexible with NavVis VLX in those areas and can do the job much faster. We have another handheld laser scanner that we use on a regular basis, but we can only really use it for very small single rooms because it has the disadvantage that you can't register ground control points with it. You have no control over it, and you have to constantly scan areas twice as a reference. With NavVis VLX, this isn't an issue any longer because we can work with ground control points or checkerboards that we use for our building front surveys. This means there's no additional effort to create points of reference. Our building digitization department has roughly doubled ever since we started working with NavVis. We have doubled our number of employees as well as our approximate turnover. From within the industry, you can feel a strong pioneering spirit towards digitization.